Hi everyone. So today is day 5 of CTM Skin Challenge, and we are doing a green pack today. If you want to know the recipe, do let us know, and we'll definitely share the recipe with all of you. So I'm taking my face wash. Okay. Few people are doing this CTM for the first time. Guys, take your face wash, apply it on your face. Okay. Then rub in between your hands and start massaging. You can take little bit of water on your face so that you can do the massage properly. Never ever forget your neck. Never ever take your face wash around your eye area. So now go and wash your face, please. I'm taking face tissue. You can take face towel, but please don't stretch your skin. Don't do like this, Just be gentle like this. I'm using my tissue because normally towels give me a rash. Okay. Now get ready with your toners. I'm using this toner from Clinique. It says number 2 clarifying lotion. Okay. Take out your toners, put it on the cotton pad, and then start dabbing onto your skin. Please don't stretch the product. अगर आपके पास स्प्रे फॉर्म में इस तरीके से भी बॉटल है तो आप अपने फेस पे स्प्रे कर सकते हैं एंड देन लेट इट ड्राई ऑन इट्स ओन. अपने आप उस टोनर को सूखने देंगे. एंड इवन यू कैन टेक टोनर इफ यू डोंट हैव दिस कॉटन पैड बिकॉज आज बहुत सारे लोग नए आए हैं तो जिन लोगों को नहीं मालूम है टोनर कैसे लगाते हैं, आप टोनर लेके अपने हैंड्स पे रब करके उसको इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं, लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. नेवर अवॉइड योर नेक. So I'm done. Take out your face pack, your homemade face pack. I told you the recipe. This is my face pack. Can I see yours? Show it to me. Nice. Very nice. पायल गर्ग, पायल आप किसके साथ कर रहे हो? आपके साथ 2 जने हैं.
Yeah, my sister-in-law.
Okay, hi. Take your face pack and start applying it. Always apply in upward movement. See, upward strokes. Always apply the pack in this movement. Can you see that? In upward movement. You can also apply with your fingers if you don't have a face pack brush. Okay. Let me show you again. Even on the forehead, use upward movements. Okay. See, every day our skin is deteriorating, so we have to take care of it. But अगर आप उसका ध्यान रखेंगे तो it will be much better. उतना fastly deteriorate नहीं होगा आपका skin. Please take care of your skin. Again, watch me carefully. Never ever forget your neck as well, along with your face. See how I am applying it. As you all know, the pack which we are applying, it works on our texture. It removes our tan. It has antioxidant properties. It gives us glow. This pack is really good for our skin. It works on our skin texture very well. Never ever apply your face pack close to your eye area or above your eye area. So now I'm just checking your face packs. Open your camera or screen so that I can check. Tani, can you come closer to the camera? बेबी आपने काफी आईज के पास लगाया है, शायद एक आई के पास जा रहा है, तो क्लीन कर लो. यस, लाइक दिस. यस, रिमूव कर लो प्लीज. डार्क सर्कल एरिया पे ये पैक नहीं लगाया जाएगा. ओके, प्लीज डोंट अप्लाई दिस पैक ऑन योर डार्क सर्कल एरिया और ओवर ऑन योर आईलिड एरिया. श्रुति, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर पैक डार्लिंग. काफी क्लोज जा रहे हो आप अंडर आई एरिया के पास. जस्ट रिमूव योर पैक फ्रॉम योर अंडर आई एरिया. 1+60. Come closer to the camera. I want to see you. Darling, come. You have not applied the pack? Okay, no worries.
I don't know. I have today only, na?
Acha, okay, no worries. And Garima, can you show me your face?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you applied the pack? No.
No, ma'am. I just joined today, but I am allergic to honey. So, what can I use as a substitute?
Raw milk or fresh cream?
Okay.
Shika, one more thing. If the pack is left, can we apply it in the evening or as well?
You should not. दिन में एक ही बार मास्क अप्लाई किया जाए तो बेटर है. You can apply it on your arms, on your hands, but not on your face.
Okay. Leftover pack. Thank you.
You're welcome.
आपका इतना थिक क्यों है? मेरा तो बहुत ही कम थिक है. ऐसा क्यों?
क्योंकि आपने उसमें बाइंडिंग एजेंट कम डाला है, इसलिए आपका थिक कम है.
फ्लावर कम डाला है.
हाँ. हसनीत, can you show me your face? देखो, you can't see that, but I'll share the picture of Hasneet and even so many people जिनकी consistency महक बिल्कुल ठीक है. Don't worry, Mehak, it will give you the benefits. It's so refreshing. I know, Nilisha. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really refreshing. The skin is breathing, actually.
Yes, yes. And it's our 5th day, I guess. Right, Nilisha? Nilisha has joined from the very first day.
She's lucky. Now I think we are also lucky.
You are also lucky. So I can see the change in my skin. My cheeks are glowing. My tip of my nose is also glowing. Take your picture, guys. Come on, take your pictures fast.
Ma'am, it's amazing.
Good. Thank you.
My son is saying, Mama, why are you applying chutney on your face?
Explain him later. Please take out your moisturizers. I am applying Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion today. This much quantity is more than enough. If you have oily or normal to oily skin, please try and moisturize your skin with water-based moisturizer. Now I am just rubbing my moisturizer in between my hands and just patting it. After this, I'll massage it nicely in my skin. I'm doing upward strokes. See here. Now I'm taking a little bit more moisturizer for my neck, rubbing it nicely so that my product is warm. I'm applying it on my neck in upward strokes, in upward movements. So I'm done. I hope so you have applied your moisturizer. Guys, do you have your under eye cream with you? After applying our moisturizer, we'll always apply this. I'm using Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. You can apply any under eye cream. I'm using this. Taking on my ring finger, I'm just putting few dots. No worries, okay? Now take your ring finger again and start dabbing the product. You should not ever forget to, moisturize your under eye area as well, because it's very dry. There are no oil glands there. So you should always moisturize, whether, before your makeup or during your CTM sessions. And one more thing, from tomorrow, do arrange your lip balms as well. And if you have dry lips, I'll show you how you can exfoliate your lips as well. You can also apply for your under eye Milagro under eye oil. It comes in a roll-on bottle, or YBP argan oil. And I hope so you have liked this session. So do share it with your friends and family, and let's make it a fun 21-day skincare CTM challenge. And if you have liked my video, hit the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also subscribe to my channel so that whenever my videos are up, you'll get the notification first. So bye-bye. Take care. I'm signing off.